Do you work with cooking oil, fats, or grease in your commercial kitchen? Are you responsible for the safety and well-being of your staff? Are you leaving your business exposed to the risks relating to the handling of used cooking oil? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, then Jestic Foodservice Solutions would proudly like to introduce you to Frontline's Smart Oil System, an automatic oil removal system for fryers designed to eliminate risks and significantly enhance the health and safety in your kitchen. At the simple push of a button, Frontline's fully automated solution takes care of removing used oil and grease. This system is directly plumbed into your fryer and oil is then moved into a storage tank. No manual handling, no spills, and no risk of coming into contact with hot oil. For fryers without direct plumb, a Frontline pump station will assist in moving the oil to the tank for you. And if you're not ready to add plumbing, but still care about reducing the risks around oil disposal, Frontline caddies can be rolled under fryers to receive the oil and then safely transported and pumped into the tank. When the system detects that the tank is nearly full, the M3 integrated software automatically notifies your used oil company, who will then come and securely empty your tank, eliminating the risk of theft, spills, or hazards. The web-based software also provides detailed reports on collection history, including volumes and rebates, enabling you to make informed decisions for your kitchen operations. It even keeps track of service needs, helping you address any maintenance requirements. Every kitchen has space constraints, which is why the tank can be stored anywhere, inside or outside. Whatever the shape, size, or layout of your kitchen, with guidance and consultation from the experts at Jestic Foodservice Solutions, Frontline can be fully customized to your specific needs and kitchen. With a Frontline Smart Oil Management system, you can prioritize safety, cleanliness, and efficiency in your kitchen. Create peace of mind for yourself. Look after your staff and protect your business by adding layers of proven, safe automation in the oil management of your commercial kitchen. Continue the conversation and find out more by contacting info@jestic.co.uk.